Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're making another Southern classic and it's a really good comfort food. So we are making some biscuits and gravy. So this is what we're going to be making and it's simple, delicious, and hits all the right spots. So I really do want to thank everybody for supporting my channel. For all my new viewers, I want to say welcome. For my current viewers, I want to say thank you. So let's grab our ingredients and let's make biscuits and gravy. For our biscuits and gravy, you're going to need the following: breakfast sausage, flour, milk, and pepper. Alright, so we have a small pot heating up over a medium-high heat. So to this, we're going to add in our breakfast sausage. And we're going to break it up a little bit. And we are going to cook this until done. So now that our breakfast sausage is fully cooked, to this we're going to add some flour. And we're going to start off with about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And what we're doing is we're going to make just a light blonde roux, or, well, it's going to be a blonde roux, but it will also help thicken up the gravy once we add our milk. So we're going to let this go for just a couple of minutes. So now that this has been going for a couple of minutes, we're going to slowly start adding in our milk until we get our gravy to the consistency we want, which will probably end up being about 2 to 3 cups of milk. So our gravy has been going about 5 minutes on a medium low to low. Now, if you find that your gravy is too thin, what you can do is take about a tablespoon of flour and mix it in with a little bit of water and add it to the gravy to thicken it up a little bit. So we're going to now add in some pepper, and I'm using white pepper, and we're probably looking about a teaspoon or so. Considering I'm probably getting it everywhere. And here is where we're going to adjust if we need any salt. And normally I find that you don't have to add too much salt because the sausage is pretty salty. A little more pepper. And there we go. So we're going to let this continue to slow cook for a little bit while we get our biscuits ready. So now that our biscuits are done, we're going to go ahead and get plated up. So we've got us a biscuit here. I'm going to open this up some. All right. Now we're going to get us some of this gravy. And there we go. Now let's eat. So now that we've got everything all plated up, let's eat. So I just love biscuits and gravy. It's one of those comfort foods that just hits all the right spots, and it just makes it feel like home. Oh yeah. I'm going to be eating way too much of this stuff. So I hope y'all give this recipe a try, and let me know your thoughts and how you like the food in the comments. And as always, I want to thank everyone for watching. For my new viewers, welcome. Hopefully you'll stick around. Remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can know about all my new videos when they come out. To my existing viewers, I want to thank you for supporting the channel. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And I'm going to finish up my biscuits and gravy.